Hi kids, welcome to my colorful drawing school. Today I am going to draw alphabet. Let's draw and color it together. First I draw the letter A. Then I draw the letter B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, Z, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's paint now. Red color, blue color, green color, yellow color, pink color, orange color, sky blue color, orange color, pink color, sky blue, red, blue, green, yellow, green, yellow, orange, pink, sky blue, blue, sky blue, pink, yellow, green, orange, red. The picture is finished. See you next video.